Bonjour et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, dans cette classe, nous apprendrons les verbes en IR. Compris? Understood? Good morning. Welcome. Today in this class, we will learn the verbs ending in IR. Second group of verbs, regular verbs. Second group of verbs are ending in IR. Okay, yesterday what we saw is actually ER group of verbs, first group of verbs. What are the endings? Tell me. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Okay, here the same pattern, same style of conjugation, but the endings are going to be different. For example, here I have written finir. Finir is one of the regular IR group of verbs. Regular IR group of verbs. How do you find out the stem? Take out the IR. Take out this IR, you get the stem of the verb. So in the conjugation, I have written all the stem. FIN, 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 FIN. Okay, FIN I have written. Now we are going to add endings. Endings are not going to be E, ES, EE, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Those endings belong to ER group of verbs, not IR. This is IR group of verb. So we will have a different ending. Just look at the endings. For je it is IS. Tu IS. Il IT. Al IT. Nu ISS ONS. In ER it is just ONS. Okay. Here it is ISS ONS. It is ISS EZ for woo. It is ISS ENT for il and al. Now you get the full conjugation. So here again you should remember the endings alone. Tell me the endings. IS, IS, IT, IT, ISS ONS, ISS EZ, ISS ENT, ISS ENT. IS, IS, IT, IT, rapate, rapate, IS, IS, IT, IT, ISS ONS, ISS EZ, ISS ENT, ISS ENT. Got it? Right. Now it becomes je finis. Repeat. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, al finit. Same pronunciation. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, al finit. Nous finissons. Répétez. Nous finissons. Répétez. Bien. Vous finissez. Ils finissent, al finissent. Beware of the pronunciation. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, al finit. Nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, al finissent. What about the meaning? The meaning of ER group of verbs. Same three translations for affirmative. I finish, I am finishing, I do finish. Okay, I finish, I finish. That's very simple. I am finishing, present continuous. This is simple present tense, this is continuous present tense, and this is emphatic present tense. I finish, I am finishing, I do finish. Il finit, tu finis, you finish, you are finishing, you do finish. Il finit, he finishes, he is finishing. He does finish. Al fini, she finishes. She is finishing. She does finish. Nous finissons. Come on, try to tell. We finish. We are finishing. We do finish. We do finish. Could you see this? Yeah. We do finish. Vous finissez. You finish. You are finishing. You do finish. You do finish. Ils finissent. Come on, try to tell. Try to answer. Yes. They finish. They are finishing. They do finish. Al finis. This is a feminine form saying they finish. They are finishing. They do finish. So bear in mind, a simple present tense in French takes three equivalent translations in English. Every present tense in French simple present tense in French are translated into 3 ways in English. For example, tu finis, you finish, you are finishing, you do finish. Don't forget this one also. In many places this is not taught. Okay, but here we teach you this. It's a very important translation. So 3 translations for every simple present tense in French. In English you have got 3 translations. Got it? So next class we see the negative form and future, interrogative form also. Now I have written 2 examples here. Bati. Bati has to build. Bati means to build. How do you find out the stem? Stem of the verb? Take out IR. You get the stem of the verb. B-A-T. B circumflex accent. Don't omit the accents. Never omit the accents. B-A-T. B-A circumflex T. Add. Je, what do you add? Je, what do you add? I-S. So what's the meaning? I build. Or I am building. Or I do build. For il, what's the ending? See? Look at the board. Il, it. So B-A-T-I-T, B circumflex T-I-T, batti. Je batti, il batti. What's the meaning? He builds, he is building, he does build. 3 translations. Nous bâtissons, nous what's the ending? ISSONS. I have added ISSONS. Nous bâtissons, what's the meaning? Tell me. We build, we are building, we do build. Now the second verb, next example, remplir. Remplir means to fill up. To fill. Tu I have written here. Tu, what's the ending? Look at the board. IS. So REMPL is the stem, and with the stem I have added IS. Tu remplis, what's the meaning? You fill up, you are filling up, you do fill up. 3 translations. Elle remplit. What's the ending? IT. Elle remplit means what? She fills up, she is filling up, she does fill up. Vous remplissez? ISSEZ I have added. Tell me, you fill up, you are filling up, you do fill up. Il remplis, elle remplis, ISSENT I have added. ISSENT, okay? With the stem, REMPL. With the stem I have added ISSENT because it's ILS and ELLES. So what will be the meaning? They fill up, they are filling up, they do fill up. Same translation. So this is the end of the affirmative form of IR group of verbs. Okay. So we will see in the next class with negative form. Till then, au revoir. Au revoir. Merci. À demain.